Hi everyone, my name is Otis. You're welcome to Italians Academy. Today we have a very interesting topic for you. And before I get started, I just want to say thank you to all of you that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And if this is the first time that you're watching my video, I say thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I encourage you to do so. Just hit the subscribe button below this video. And also don't forget to follow us in our subsequent video. So today, our topic for today is 5 blog ideas to increase website traffic and engagement. So blog is a great marketing tool to promote your business, your products and services because it informs your readers about your brand, the uniqueness of your brand. That's where you can tell your brand story. So blogging consistently can increase the chances of your site ranking high in search engine result pages. So sometimes researching for blog ideas can be overwhelming. And that is why in today's video, we walk you through some of these ideas to help you build trust between you and your audience and increase engagement. So why should I blog? Well, there are numerous reasons why you should blog, why you should incorporate blog into your marketing strategy. A blog can help your audience find you online. It increases the overall ranking of your website and it helps in link building because some of those content, when it goes viral or people like that content and they begin to share it, so it links back to your site. That's one of the advantages of having a blog incorporated into your online business. So let's look at these 5 big ideas that you can incorporate into your blogging. One is telling stories about your products. Your blog page is the perfect place to share your stories, the stories about your product. While the product page is the ideal place to actually describe what your product is all about. So with your blog, you can actually tell the features of your products. And it's also an avenue or a platform or a medium that you can tell people or multiple users how to navigate through your site. So that is why it is very important for you to incorporate it. So another idea is keyword research. Lately, Google is no longer using the keyword as one of those ranking factors. But the importance of keyword cannot be overemphasized because it is the way that your site advertises its content to the outside world. Because Google uses its algorithm to put relevant sites to satisfy a searcher's query. If someone is searching for information on the internet, they go with certain keyword like schools nearby, houses nearby, car rentals nearby, the nearest airport, nearest hotel. So these are some of those keywords that you can actually embed insert into your blog post because that's what the users are looking for. So now we're talking about the user's intent. So it is important for you to actually read the minds of the searchers. What could be their search intent that could also help you when you're doing your keyword research. So another way to increase engagement for your website, which is one of those ideas that I have actually listed, is experiences and stories. Personal stories about the brand, the owners of the business, could create that emotional connection between your prospective audience that are searching for information on your website. And that could help retentionship and also could also lead to a faster conversion because the more you keep your audience, your prospective visitors on your website, the more they are likely explore other parts of your website. That is why your blog is very, very important. Another, again, is also the testimonials. Encourage your customers, encourage your visitors to actually leave testimony on your website. It helps your ranking. It helps you to build trust. Because everyone that is online, if you're visiting a website, you want to look at the reviews. So we're going to move to the next phase, which is the product review. The product review is about telling them the uniqueness of the products. And you can tell the stories on your blog page. So then another is also the question and answer. So you can also incorporate question and answer into your blog page, because based on the feedback that you get from your prospective visitors and your customers, you can actually improve your website, and that could enhance the user experience on your website. So I think I have actually walked you through these 5 ideas of what you can incorporate into your blogging, which is one of your marketing strategy to attract new and existing customers. So we're coming to the end of this presentation for today, and I strongly believe that the ideas that I've outlined will actually help someone today to increase their engagement and increase their traffic. So I want to say thank you for listening to this presentation, and I look forward to see you in our next presentation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. And once again, I say thank you. Have a great day.